Good day everyone. Today I will present the code that I created for student course and student registration system. This program is writing in Java and allow the user to enter student information and course details. The program uses classes, constructors, and method to organize the data and display the registration information. This is Java program. Creates a student class na nag-store ng student name, ID at program. Gumagamit ito ng scanner para mag-ask ng user nag-enter ng student information. Yung construction ang ginagamit para i-assign ang mga values na i-enter ng user. Sa student variables, may method din na tinatawag din itong display student info, close parenthesis and open parenthesis, na nagpiprint ng student details sa screen sa main method. Gumagawa ng student object gamit ang user input, tapos papakita ng program ang student info bilang output. This is the output. Type my name and my ID and the program. This Java program creates a course class that store information about a course, just as course codes, title, and number of units. The program uses scanner to get input from the user. The constructor assigns the entered values to the course variables. A method called display course info, open parenthesis and close parenthesis, prints the course details in the main method. A course object is created using the user input, and the program display the course information, and this is the output. Type the code, type the code, type course title and the units. This Java program is a student registration system. It has 3 classes: student, course, and registration system. The student class stores the student name, ID, and program, while the course class stores the course code, titles, and units. Each class has constructor to assign values and a method to display the information system class. The program user uses scanner to ask the user for student and course details. Then it creates student and course object and display the registration information on the screen. And this is the output. Type my name, student ID, the program, the course codes, the course titles, and the units. That is all for my program. These codes show how Java can use to store and display student and course information in a simple registration system. Thank you for listening.